How to send PPV on Fansly. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can send PPV on your Fansly account. So let's start. First of all, go to fansly.com and then log into your account. After you have logged into your account, you'll come to the home screen like this. Now while talking about sending PPV, which is also called as pay-per-view, you will have two options to send them. The first option is to upload them on your feed. For that, you can simply go to the Creator tab and then upload the photos or the videos. Then the next method of sending PPV is directly through direct messages or DMs. For that, you can tap on the message icon that you can see at the bottom. After you go to your inbox section, you'll find a list of all the fans that have subscribed to you. So while sending PPV, you can directly send them in DMs to a selected number of subscribers or your fans. So these are the two methods by which you can send PPV on Fansly. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.